Welcome to Shet Vidya Mandir online lessons. Dear students, I have often noticed that whenever the students are solving problems of NPO, they are always confused in subscription. They find the subscription calculation as a very tedious task. So today let us dedicate this video to subscription. So what is subscription in NPO? It is the amount paid by members on a periodical basis. It is the main income of the NPO. So it is credited to income and expenditure account. Okay, and the actual subscription amount that is received that appears on the debit side of receipt and payment account. Now see, this is your income and expenditure account credit side. By subscription received for the, this is given to you in the receipt and payment account. The total amount of subscription that is received, that is given to in the receipt and payment account, is this. Now you have to reduce whatever is received for the last year and whatever is received for the next year. Okay, because in your income and expenditure account works on the basis of accrual. So all the expenses and all the incomes pertaining to the current year only should be shown in the income and expenditure account. So minus received for last year and minus received for the next year. This is very important. Now what you have to add? Received during last year for current year. So important thing here is for current year, and outstanding for current year. These things have to be added. Okay, although you have not received, you have to add it. And this you have received during last year for current year, so you have to add this. And last year, next year less, current year add. Okay, so now let's do a sum relating on this income and expenditure. Now see, this is the sum given to you. The following are the details of subscription. Subscription received during the year 50,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2018 10,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2019 20,000. Received in advance on 31st March 2018 15,000, and received in advance on 31st March 2019 is 10,000. Now you are required to show its presentation in income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Now this is very important, 31st March 2019. So this is your current year, and balance sheet on the same date. So let's see what is current year. This is received during the current year, so 50,000. Outstanding on 31st March 2018. Okay, 10,000. So this is last year, correct? And outstanding on this, so this is current year, correct? Subscription received in advance as on 31st March 2018. You received this in advance last year. Okay, you received in advance last year, so it is pertaining to the current year. Okay, and this received in advance as on 31st March 2019. So this is for the next year. Now we know next year and last year. What do we do? Last year, next year we deduct. And what do we add? Current year we add. We saw this in the formula here. See, last year and next year you have to deduct, and current year you have to add. So let us do this sum. Now see, this is the income and expenditure account, and this is the balance sheet that is asked to us. Okay, now let's start. Subscription being income, it will go on the income side by subscription. Now how much is received during the year? 50,000. So write in the inner column 50,000. Now you remember, deduct last year and next year. So less received for last year and received for next year. So what are the amounts? 10,000 and 10,000. So 50 minus 20 is 30,000. Now next, what will you add? You will add both current years. So 20,000 and 15,000. So add received for current year during last year. How much? 15,000. And another add is outstanding for current year, that is 20,000. So 30 and add 35, so that is giving you 65. This is your subscription in the income and expenditure account, income side. Now you have to show the same thing in the balance sheet. So balance sheet, what you will show? Subscription that you have received in advance. How much is that? Received for next year, 10,000. So right here, subscription received in advance is 10,000. And outstanding subscription. What is your outstanding subscription? Outstanding for current year. What is it? 10,000. This one, 20,000. So right here, outstanding subscription 20,000. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now let us do another sum regarding subscription. A balance sheet is given to you on 31st March 2018. Only subscription is given, outstanding subscription for 2 years, and receipt and payment account is given for the year ending 31st March 2019. This is the current year. Your current year is 2018-19. So this is the receipt. Subscription that you have received for this 3 years is given to you here, and one adjustment is given to you. Outstanding subscription for current year is rupees 8,000. And what we have to prepare, how we prepared for last sum, income and expenditure account and balance sheet, you have to show only the subscription, and this is our date. You have to prepare income expenditure account and balance sheet on 31st/3/2019. Okay, so let's start. This is your income and expenditure account and your balance sheet. Now let us see how much we actually received during the year is 70,000. And what is outstanding? As you can see here, it is 8,000. So this is the easy part. Just write here, by subscription is this amount, 70,000. Add outstanding subscription, that is 8,000. So total is 78,000. Okay, and now that's all for income and expenditure account. And for the balance sheet, now see here, look carefully. The subscription that was outstanding for 16-17 was 2,500, and out of 2,500, 2,000 is being paid this year. So what is the outstanding that remains? Right here, outstanding subscription 2,000 16-17 is this amount, 2,500 minus 2,000, so that is 500. Okay, and for the year 17-18 it is 4,000, and how much is paid out of 4,000? 3,000. So your outstanding is 1,000. So here just write down 17-18 is 1,000. And for the current year, what is the outstanding? It's given to 8,000. So write here 18-19 is 8,000. Okay. So what is your total? 9,500. That's all. Okay, so it's easy, just apply yourself and don't learn any keywords and all those things, just use logic and common sense, and subscription is actually very easy. Now see, this is your assignment today. A sum is given to you. It is very similar to the sum we did before. Balance sheet of previous year is given and receipt and payment account for the current year is given. Outstanding subscription 16, 17, 17, 18 is given to you, and subscription received in advance for 18, 19 is given in the previous balance sheet, and presently it is given subscriptions are given to you for 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, and remember our current year is 18, 19. Outstanding subscription for 18, 19 is given as 32,000. So just try it on your own and I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Okay, we shall meet again. Thank you. Take care. Bye.